this video, I will be analyzing the Bitcoin chart in different time frames. Then I will be showing you how to make some positions and what's gonna happen next on Bitcoin on 7th of March 2023. So let's get started. Before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see here, we are on the Bitcoin chart, daily time frame, and you can see we have a trend line here with 3 touches, 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. And the fourth time we can see a candle actually reacting to that level as a pin bar. If this candle closes like this, it shows that we should go for buy positions, okay? But if the candle closes below the trend line and breaks it, we can go for sell positions, put our stop loss above the candles, and look for risk to reward too. But we have to wait something around 7 hours to see what's gonna happen. Something that you should know is if you want to look for buy positions here after 7 hours, if the candle closes like this, for more safety, let me switch to 4-hour time frame. Let's wait for this trend line to break also, and we can go for buy positions with more safety, okay? This is all you should know about the daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we don't have anything special. On the 15-minute time frame, also we don't have anything special. 5-minute time frame, nothing. On the 1-minute time frame, we can make some trades here, like this one. Sorry, we could make these ones like this one here. Go for sell positions. Also, we have the trend line here too, and also another one from here. We can have some sell positions and buy positions here too, and trade and make money with them. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.